at this. The stick is about 1 inch in diameter. The guy that gave this to me told me that you could tie a cat to it.
Is it bigger than our #1 trophy? Our first one?
It is.
Oh
big.
my gosh, now that is a firework.
This thing is going to be incredible. Just take a look at this.
I got the night shot. We can see it.
Dude. You got a lighter?
Yeah, it's in.
Dude.
Alright, let's go.
Badass, bro. Everybody get ready to run.
As soon as it lights and it goes.
I'm scared as hell.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
We gotta go get another one!
Dude. Badass.
That's the greatest firework ever! Oh my god,
That thing doesn't go up high enough to get away from all that crap, dude. I thought that stuff was gonna come back down.